What is up, guys? It's your boy Whitney Carroll, and here's my friend Otto. And today we're gonna be playing Airplane Free. And today we have to stop this dangerous Robloxian thief from hijacking a plane. And today we're gonna be trying to get the good ending and the bad ending. Okay, so apparently to get the good ending, you have to find the teddy bear. And I think I remember where the teddy bear is. Otto, just follow me. I know where the teddy bear is.
Wait a second. No, never mind. Okay.
Don't you think this is kind of slow going?
Yeah, it really is.
Okay, Otto, start searching for the teddy bear.
So you have to start searching for the teddy bear in here?
Yeah, you have to start searching for the teddy bear. Start searching for the teddy bear. Yo, why can't I
Maybe
wear
it's because you're wearing something that's over it, that's why.
Oh. Okay, dude, let's look for the teddy bear.
No one is leaving this place without military outfit.
Well, I'm trying to take one though.
Yeah, I won't let you because you already have one.
Oh.
And
Anyway,
also it's hiding it over your shadow skin.
I swear if I die.
You're not gonna die.
Oh yeah.
Okay, good. I believe we are ready. Okay, so check for the teddy bear.
Alright, let's start searching for the teddy bear.
Okay, but we have to follow it or else we're gonna die.
Yeah. Checking the plane.
Let me check your plane. Bang, 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 bang.
Not enough fuel.
Oh no, looks like we don't have enough fuel.
We will need to fill the plane tank completely before we can take off. Okay, dude.
Okay, this is our chance to find the teddy if we could.
Okay, dude, you get the switches and I'll get the teddy bear. Wait, dude, I see the teddy bear.
Oh my, you too.
Okay, when he stops. Okay, let's go get it now.
Go get the teddy bear.
You go get the switches.
I'm closing to the teddy bear.
All right, I see the teddy bear. I got the teddy.
I got it.
All right, we got the teddy bear. Now, at the end of the story, there's gonna be like a little girl crying because the plane crashed and the pilot was her dad. So we have to give the teddy to the little girl. Okay?
Okay, so I got the switch. Yeah. Okay, come on, gotta go.
Oh wait, someone else got the teddy. Looks like we got 3 people.
Okay, so now we got those two connected.
Now it's... Oh, and the yellow one is over there. I'll go get it.
I'm gonna go and get this. Oh wait, no, we need the yellow one and then we can get the blue. Wait, no, actually no.
I'm trying to grab it, but... Wait, why can't I grab it?
Okay, so someone already has blue. You can't grab yellow.
Wait, why?
Here, I'll come and grab it then.
Alright.
Yeah, that's weird. It grabs for you, but it does for me.
Yeah. Alright. Hold up, Otto.
Let's just watch the fuel regenerate.
Hold up. Hold up, guys. I'll be right back.
Okay, that's actually satisfying.
Alright, I'm back.
Okay.
Alright. Now let's go get that good ending.
Yeah, but first there's like a lot of stuff to do then though.
Yeah, first we... Oh, Pilot Clark. That's
I
Pilot.
bet that one of these pilots are fake.
I haven't actually seen so I don't actually remember that much what happens in here.
I remember someone also playing this game.
What'd you say, dude?
I said, yeah, I also remember a YouTuber playing this game.
I remember LinkyBox playing this game.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, opening back door.
The airplane's going down now on the picture.
Someone has a Sonic running animation.
See, the plane's going down.
No, dude, come on.
Sit right next to me, yeah. Okay.
You got the teddy?
Yep, got the teddy.
Alright, now when we get to the end, we just need to give it to that little girl.
Can I just hold it out?
No,
Okay.
then you'll lose it. Closing door. Prepare for takeoff.
Bro, just all three of us. The look shoulders.
Bro, there were so many when we first started.
Yeah.
But now there's
We
like...
just all died because they didn't follow the rules.
I know, right?
We're not flying and the kidnap plane
Direction.
Oh, bananas. Nom, 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 nom.
Nom nom nom.
Teddy, want some? Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom. Hey, you. Nom, nom,
He's trying to get... Oh no.
Okay.
Dude, did you feel the plane feel a little bit wobbly?
What the hell?
Whoa, 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 why is it so wobbly? Get to your seat. Oh, I thought you'd be hungry. Here, everyone have a banana.
Oh wait, I actually have a banana.
Oh, yay.
Everyone here have a banana.
Num num num. Aw, man, my banana's gone.
Okay, I'm gonna go on and get something. I'll
Wait.
be right back.
Wait, what? But I just ate it. But we just ate it. But we just ate it.
I'm just kidding.
Pulls out an AK-47. Say that to my face.
That's not funny.
That's not funny, Gerald. That's not funny. Hey, this guy stole my seat. Otto, can you move so we can sit somewhere else? Otto? Otto. Oh. Oh, wait, never mind.
Oh my gosh. Excuse me, okay, so what happened?
Okay.
Wake up, everyone.
Okay, it looks like we're inside a storm. We need to be ready in case we have to... What was that?
I have no idea.
We were struck by lightning. I hope the wing's okay.
Dude, get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Bro, have positive thoughts.
Okay, everyone, chill. No.
Bro, seriously saying chill when he pulled a prank on us saying that the bananas were poison.
Wait. Out there?
We're going out where?
Out there.
Let me back inside. I don't want to be out here. Okay, so what we have to do?
Survive.
The storm is getting worse. Yeah, I can tell. I'm getting my quills wet. No, but seriously, look how wet my quills are getting.
I know.
Did he just...
Well, I pushed him.
You pushed him!
I pushed him off.
You pushed him off the plane! Oh, shoot! There's lightning! Lightning and the thunder. Ah! There's so much lightning!
Oh, it shows the spots where the lightning's coming.
Okay, so just don't touch the spots. Don't touch there! Hold up. Does it never hit here? Hold up, guys, I'm gonna be right back. Oh shoot. Chaos control! Me just using chaos control to teleport the lightning somewhere else.
I think something wrong happened.
What?
Just cover me and try not to get hit by lightning.
Wait, dude, can you revive me?
Oh, no, I can't.
Never mind, I'll just purchase an extra life. Okay, dude, I'm back.
Why are that?
Alright, guys, I just... Yo, what the heck is that? What the heck is that? What is that? You've gotta be... Fire! Quickly, inside. Wait, how are we supposed to get inside the boat? Oh. Let's get back to our... Wait, where'd Lucas go?
Died.
It's just us two left. We have to save that plane. Hold up, was that just an arm? Hold up, was that just an arm? Wait, was that just our imagination?
No. I guess they didn't see it.
Yeah, maybe. Okay. Alright, we're...
Finally here.
Okay, time to go rescue that plane.
Why is he so crouching?
No idea. Maybe his leg is broken?
They surely break the plane. You not see it? Like he's like scratching the plane.
True.
Unless we
So guys, comment down below what you think he's doing. Alright guys, comment down below what you think is gonna happen. Wait, what happened to my teddy?
I have it.
Wait, why do you have my teddy?
No reason.
Did you steal it from me?
No.
Hold out an AK.
I wanted to do this my whole life.
Give. Oh no.
Three.
It sounds like he's about to loot the pirates.
Check the storage if you can find anything. I found cheese.
What do you mean you found cheese? I found cheese. Wait, I found some glasses. Wait, who found the hammer? Oh. Break down the door. Break down the door. Alright, now let's go get Ronald. What the? There he is!
Hey, you want your teddy?
Yeah. Give it to me.
I ain't talking about Ronald.
No, we're supposed to give it to the little girl.
I know.
So, because that's how we get the good ending. Wait, actually, I do remember how to get the good ending. We have to say positive. We have to say the good options about him. So when it says who's gonna talk to him, let me talk to him, okay?
Okay.
Because I know the right options, okay? Okay, dude?
Okay.
He tied up a little kid. No, wait, dude, back away. I don't talk to him. Let me talk to him. But there's one left. The captain! I'll talk to him. Don't worry. I'll talk to him. This is it. We just have one chance to try and talk with Ronald. Who wants to be the hero? Step in front of the captain. I will do it. The name Shadow. Shadow the Hedgehog. Ronald, open the door. We can work this out. Ronald, let the captain go. You don't understand anything. You are ruining my plans. I deserve this. Listen to what I'm going to say. What is wrong, Ronald? Tell us what made you do this. Ever since I was a kid, everyone made fun of me. When I had problems, there was no one there. All I ever wanted is a friend. Ronald,
We can be your friend.
we can be your friends. We can save you. Friends?
Friends? You would really want to do that for me?
Yes. Well, we will be your friends because you are a good person inside.
I don't know if you can save me. I've taken these things too far.
It's never too late to do things right, Ronald. Let's get out of this one together.
Okay, I will. I will become a good person. Dot, dot, dot.
Ronald? Ronald? I'm not.
Feeling well.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Ronald! Are you
okay? Right when I just about to walk in there.
Ronald! General! The captain room is burning! There's no time.
No time. The plane is about to explode.
Take this
this picture.
parachute.
Parachute. Oh.
Alright, I got a parachute.
Okay, I also got it.
But General, what about you?
Yeah, what about No, wait, it's just me. I have to. We don't leave you here. We won't leave you here.
What if I just sacrifice myself? There's no time.
No time. Just go. Just go.
It was
It was pleasure working with you, soldiers.
okay. So there's some fire, so we actually have to watch out. The back emergency door is open.
I'm not supposed to say it. The back emergency door is open. We need to get there.
Follow me.
And jump!
Jump! The back emergency right here. Jump! Okay, dude, do you have that teddy?
Yeah, I still had it.
Okay, you need to give it to that little girl.
Can we land on this plane?
What plane?
The plane.
No, Hold up,
The
dude.
back emergency door is open. We need to get there and jump.
Well, we jumped.
Yeah, that's a good thing that we did.
Wait, dude, don't land on the plane. We're supposed to land in that crowd.
I know, I'm not trying to land on the plane. Jump from the plane. Whoa!
Okay, dude, there's supposed to be a little girl. Now give her the teddy.
Where is she?
Wait, wait, maybe we made the wrong option. Maybe we made the wrong option. Wait, now I remember. We're supposed to say like bad things about
Oh,
Ron.
there we go.
No, that wasn't a little girl. We were supposed to like say bad things.
No, look.
There she is. Now give it to her.
I did. Thanks for saving my life. Take the teddy.
Jeez. Dude, just wait. Oh my God.
He's a hero, and so you are. Thank you for your service, soldiers.
1 week later. 1 week later, General Poncho's funeral. General Poncho. He was the best general I knew. He was a great Wait, dude, we got the good ending.
Even though we didn't even give the teddy to her?
Yeah, it says we got the good ending.
Let's go!
Let's go! We survived the burning plane. All right, guys, that will be all for today. Remember to smash the like button
And hit the subscribe button.
and ring that bell. And see you next video.